Make time for a weekly skin ritual using our ever popular Options Exfoliating Scrub. This product can be used once or twice a week. Simply mix a small amount of product, about a pea size, in with your cleanser and then use the product to work circular motions all over the face, avoiding the eye contour. And then just rinse with water. Or alternatively, for quickness, you can use this product in the shower. When you've exfoliated, it's always important to then go on to use a conditioning mask, and one of our most popular products is our Time Expert Reed's Night Success Mask. This product really targets lines and wrinkles. It contains alpha hydroxy acids from the lime caviar fruit, which will naturally help to lift out all of the impurities and the dead skin cells. It really helps to renew the skin. It has small tiny bubbles of encapsulated vitamins that slowly are released while you're in bed asleep at night to feed and nourish the skin. We also have in the product small fragments of collagen, which will help to plump the lines and wrinkles, and when you wake up in the morning the skin feels very velvety and soft, and you just cleanse and moisturise as normal. A weekly skin routine doesn't have to be complicated, it just needs to be done regularly.